Hi, my name is Heather and welcome to my channel, and today I'm going to be showing you how to make a foundation chain. And a foundation chain is a really important part of crochet. It's something that you're going to use to start off a lot of your projects. So what we're going to do is start with a slip knot. So we've got our tail end here and we've got the working yarn end here. And we just get our yarn and we just make a loop so that the working end yarn is sitting on top of the tail end yarn. We pull our yarn up through that loop and then we just get our hook like that and tighten. And I do have a video on how to create a slip knot, which you can watch, and it goes over that a couple of times, a bit slower. So to create a chain, we're going to grab our yarn and the hook is going under that yarn, and we just pull it through the loop that's on the hook like that. And the pattern that you're following will tell you how many chains that you need to start off with, but for this tutorial I'm just going to do 10 chains. So again, we get our hook, we put it underneath like this so that we can grab it, and we just pull it through that loop on the hook like that. That's 2, that's 3, 4, 5, and you'll notice that as I'm creating the chains, I am moving my fingers and thumb along the chain to hold on to it, because it's easier to do it like that. If you were to hold on to your chain down here, you can still create that chain, but it is a little bit trickier. So just move along as you add those chains on. Another thing to remember when you're creating these chains is not to create them too tight, so that when you come back to work stitches into this chain, you're going to be able to get your hook in. If the chain is too tight, you might struggle to get the hook in. I'm going to count those chains. So I'm not counting this slip stitch here. We're counting the V's. So that's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. That's 8 chains, 9 and 10. And there you have your foundation chain. If you found this helpful, then please do hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe so that you don't miss any of my other content.